Hi, this is Dr. Kazmi. Is your newborn sneezing a lot? Good news, it is usually completely normal. Newborns sneeze often because their nasal passages are tiny and sensitive. It is their way of clearing dust, milk droplets, or mucus. They are adjusting to the outside world after 9 months in the womb. But if your baby also has fever, breathing difficulty, or poor feeding, then it is time to see your doctor. For more newborn tips and parenting advice, like, share, and subscribe. Join us on Health is Wealth by Dr. Kazmi and Smart Living with Diabetes by Dr. Kazmi. Your health is your wealth.